This video is going to be just a very quick tip about fixing tangency issues in a mesh whenever you are in surface mode here in 3D Coat's Sculpt Workspace. Let me zoom in and you can see what I'm talking about. Every once in a while, you may find yourself with some really nasty spikes in your mesh, and that can happen oftentimes when you're using the noise tool or perhaps using a noise brush type or stencil. Whatever the reason is, I want to show how you can fix this rather quickly. I'm going to hide this Vertex paint layer, and I'm going to create a blank one just for demonstration purposes, so you can see a little more clearly what we're talking about. The tangency on these vertices are really out of control. So to fix that, we have a couple different tools that we can turn to. We can do this across the entire model by going to the Smooth All tool, clicking on that, checking Tangent Smoothing, and then hitting OK. I've already cranked the value up to 10. I'll go ahead and hit OK. And that fixes quite a bit of it. I could continue doing that until it's all done, but the purpose behind tangent smoothing is not to smooth away the details that you have painstakingly created. Let's now turn to using the Tangent Smooth brush here in the Live Clay tools. See in the Tool Options panel, your smoothness value will be 0.5. I've increased it a bit, and we want to make sure to check Tangent. Let's go ahead and use our brush here. Okay, before we finish, I want to mention at the top of your UI, you have a similar option in the Shift and the Control-Shift smoothing menus. When you hold your hotkeys down, the Shift or the Control-Shift keys, these pre-selected smoothing algorithms will be utilized. So you can choose tangent smoothing. That way, as you're working with your other brushes, you can simply hold down the Shift or Control-Shift keys to use it on the fly. So I'll hold down the Shift key. And fix those areas where the tangency is off. Another option that you could turn to is hitting the Enter key, and that's going to essentially voxelize the object and return it back to surface mode. That will provide a very subtle smoothing effect as well. And that's a quick look at using tangent smoothing. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.